guys, welcome. And today's vlog is going to be all about food and great ambience. So we are heading to a very buzzing place in Lucknow. Let's see what it is.
So the place is in Gomti Nagar, and Rohtas Summit is actually very popular place for clubs, bars and offices. And here it is. Look, the beautiful building looks majestic, isn't it?
Hello guys, so we are at this place. My voice is inaudible. I'm here with my friend. She is a fellow YouTuber. So the place is distillery, as you can see. It is a very beautiful place. You can check out the view in the next few seconds.
The place had a very beautiful view along with a drinking sign, and as you can look, the place looks so aesthetic and calm. We ordered medu vada rings that were presented very beautifully, and here I take one of it. Now let's do a taste test.
Hello, so I have finished my plate. So it was a unique dish, but the taste was quite average. Let's go to another place now and see how it is going to be. Hey guys, so at the back of me you can see the top floor of distillery. I think so. It's not active now, but yes, you can. But you can come here for good photographs and very majestic view. Hello guys, so now we are here at Vintage Machine for our main course. What we had in distillery was starters, and now it's time for main course, and for that we have ordered Asian platter. Let's see how it's going to be. And till then, what we do is see the view here. It's fab. So our Asian platter is here, and now let us see how is it.
So this is how my plate looked like. So I started with Chinese bhel, followed by crispy corns, and then I ate the Manchurian. Again the bhel, of course, was yummy. Then I went on to the chili paneer, which was actually very great. Yeah. And now the bao. I didn't like it that much. Due to some interruptions, the intro got deleted. But let me tell you, we are at the hazelnut.
I would like to mention one thing about this place, and that is that this is the calmest and the most coziest and best, actually the best day, best place of the day. As look at it, so like homely feeling and no loud music, just a perfect cafe vibes. And of course, like we went to lounges and bar, and this is a cafe, and it is a perfect cafe vibe. So we are planning to order, let's see.
It was a dessert time, so we ordered this rainbow pastry. Let's see how it is. Of course, it tastes so good that I was mesmerized by it. With this, I end this video. Bye bye.